madam. No, madam. Yeah. Okay.
Master, I have been led to your doors by the Brotherhood of Humanity. You have heard about it in Costa Rica. I read in your booklet.
Oh.
And we have their ascended masters. We work with them from the White Brotherhood, and I feel that I have been led through them to you because I have all the preparation through them.
Yes.
The same thing which you say exactly identical.
Yes.
And I asked them for an answer, for
Guidance.
help, if it was right to follow you, and they said to me, follow your heart. So it was very spontaneous when I saw you the first time in a video. My heart said big yes, and my tears came. And now my question is, should I say bye-bye, thank you to all these beautiful masters?
No.
Or can I continue to decree to them from time to time?
From time to time, follow your heart.
Because we have also Lady Kuan Yin with the masters also.
Yes.
That's why I felt so attracted to you.
It's all right. Just because you go to high school doesn't mean you have to be ungrateful to your primary school or vice versa, etc. Huh?
I think it's the same family. I feel very familiar with your. With
be
you
grateful,
also.
yes,
Yeah,
and do what you can, help them if they need, or visit them whenever you feel like.
Yeah.
It's all right. We should be in harmony with all beings.
Right.
Yeah?
Thank you.
You're welcome.